Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can run a Java program using Notepad and the command line. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to open Notepad. I'm going to go to the Notepad where I'm going to write my Java program. So we'll be writing the Java program in Notepad and we will use the command line to execute the code. So I'm going to start up with a simple hello world program. So public class, I'll call it hello, and then let me give space here, and I'll write my method, my public static void main method. Now this is my class, public class hello, and this is the main method. Okay, so in the method I'm going to print out hello world. So system dot out dot print line hello world. So our class, the main method, and the print line which says hello world. So after writing the code, what you're gonna do is save. So I will come here to save as. I want to save it on the desktop, so I'm going to choose desktop, and I'm going to give it the name hello.java, and I'm going to save it. So make sure the file has the same name as the class, the public class. Make sure your file has the same name as the public class. So in my case, the file name is hello and the class name is hello. So after writing and saving the file, this is a file. Now it's time to compile and run the file. So in order to do that, you have to open the command line, the command prompt. You have to open the command prompt. So once it is open, you have to go over to the desktop. So cd desktop. And if you don't yet know how to use the command line and you want to learn quickly how you can use it, I have a video on this. You can check the link in the description below and you will be able to watch the video to learn the basics of command line. So now I'm in the desktop. Now we have to compile the Java code. So to compile that, we have to use the command javac. This javac, it means Java compile. So Java compile, and the file name is hello.java. So this Java compile is going to compile the hello.java file, and if there's any error, the compiler will let us know. Meanwhile, if there is no error, then the command prompt is going to send us to a new line where we can now run the Java code. So I'll just go ahead and press enter, and oh, I have one error here. It says cannot find symbol. Okay, so let's go ahead and fix the error. So in the file, let's see. So we omitted T, so it prints ln. So we save, and now it should work. So you see, since we had an error in the first code, we then saw this. The error was shown here, and we needed to go and correct the error. Now that the error is corrected, we expect it to run. So to compile, we say java hello.java, and that is it. It compiles successfully. So now to run the program, you have now to use java and the name of the file hello.java. And congratulations, that is it. You have just written your first hello world program in Java using the command prompt. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you love videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on further videos. And also I'll be dropping other videos showing many more examples on how to use the command line to execute Java code. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.